Hi and welcome to the Science Lab. Today we're going through water testing and learning how to measure pH. We'll be using this water test kit to test our water samples. But first, what is pH and why is it important? pH measures how acidic or basic water is. We want a pH of roughly 7 for our water, as above or below can indicate pollution. To test pH, we're going to use the following from our water test kit: our pH meter and pH test strips. First, we'll go through how to use our pH test strips. We will need a water sample, a timer, test strips, and a table to record our results. To test the pH, we take one of our test strips out. We then dip it in our water sample for a couple of seconds. After we've placed it in our water sample for a few seconds, we are then going to leave it sit for 60 seconds. Once the timer has finished, we grab our pH strip and hold it up to the case of the pH strips. We can see by measuring the colours that our pH is at roughly 7.5. We then record our result. Now we're going to use the pH meter. We will need our water sample and the pH meter again. Find the button on the front and turn the pH meter on. We then uncap it and place it in the water sample. Gently stir it around in the water a couple of times. You will see the pH reading start to move up or down. You might need to stir it around in the water a couple of times to get a correct result. Once the recording has stabilised, you can take note of the pH reading. Here we have a pH of 7.8. We then clean the pH meter off and record our result. Thank you for watching the Science Lab.